I printed what I think to be the final color. It's the fifth color on this color reductive relief print, and when I printed this I discovered something. This, by the way, isn't a perfect print. It's not necessarily due to my rubbing ability. The first print that you ink up a lot of times won't get enough ink on it, and so that's usually what happens with it. So anyway, but what's important here is this looks fairly finished. Like, I could go to black, but I don't think I need to go to black because the brown is dark enough for me. All right. Also, this is what I like to refer to as a perfect proof. The state that the block is in, carved out at this point, is what I consider a perfect proof. Now, what that is just a block state that is in all ways could be printed as a single color and still work out. All right, a nice balance of tone and mark making. All right, so I just pulled this extra proof on paper to show you what it looks like. At this stage in the print, I could make an addition of a single color print just like this, and it would hold you know, it holds as an image, basically. You can barely recognize the United States in there, in the scribbles, but it's what I consider a perfect proof in a color reductive process. So if I was considering to do an addition, this is the time to print it right now, before I do any more carving in the block to finish up my print. Say if I wanted to go on further with black, I would have to print this edition right here as a single color edition, because this is just the perfect state that I could possibly get that image in to be a one color print. All right, that's all I wanted to let you know about. All of you out there in the world, happy printing. Thanks.